Can you talk about how important it is to be able to figure out the answers, and how much are you presented with this on a day to day where you really got to figure things out on your own?
To be honest, every single day. Like, I feel like, and my manager has told me our role is to solve problems, right? So if they knew the answer to things, you wouldn't have a job. Like, they wouldn't need you to figure these things out. And a lot of them are pretty challenging, and they know that you don't know everything, and they know that you're going to have to research. So just having the confidence of even coming up with things, even when I've researched things that I wasn't able to find, and I came to my manager with like, hey, this is what I have found, however, it's not really working. They collaborated and worked with me openly for us to get to the root of the solution. You know, as long as they see that you can do pretty much, that you're self-sufficient and that you're able to find these answers, or at least you're working hard, they'll be willing to help you. They know everyone doesn't know everything. But yes, every single day I'm met with a bunch of questions that I have to go research. So